What's up, rally fans? Welcome back. Today I'm answering your question that's asked all the time. What is the best rally car to start rallying with, and how do you choose it? So without further ado, let's find your first rally car. Finding the perfect rally car is like choosing your go-to pizza topping. You want something that you'll enjoy for the long haul and won't let you down when it's time to shine. And today, I'll be your pizza chef. Okay, before you go on a shopping spree, let's talk about the dollars and cents. Rallying is an investment. It's kind of like adopting a very high maintenance, gas guzzling pet. So be prepared and don't break the bank. First off, there's the cost of the car itself. Depending on whether you want to go new or used, you're looking anywhere between $10,000 to $30,000 or more if you're feeling fancy. But wait, there's a lot more than just buying the car. If you're building the car, your new four-wheeled friend will need some rally-specific upgrades. You're going to need a roll cage, upgraded suspension, underbody protection, racing seats, hydraulic handbrake, or hydro for all the kids out there, and a myriad of other small modifications to ensure the car can handle the rigors of rally. Really focus on making sure the car can take a beating. Oh, and all of those parts need to be FIA or SFI approved depending on where you are. So let's ballpark another $15,000 to $20,000 for that depending on how fancy you want to get. You'll also need some spare parts, because you'll break them. Seriously, you'll break them all the time. And make sure you don't forget about the ongoing costs. Entry fees for rallies, regular maintenance, and of course, gas. So add another couple $1,000s per year to keep the dream alive. As you can tell, rallying isn't cheap, but let's be real. The thrill you're getting is priceless. Plus, you can always start small and gradually invest more as you get better. No one said you had to dive into the deep end right away. And before you go building your first car all new from scratch, you should actually look into used rally cars. That will save you time and money on the build, and they'll already be scrutinized and approved by the sanctioning body for competition. There are a ton of great used options out there for much, much cheaper. Now let's dive into the crème de la crème of starter rally cars. First up, say hello to the Ford Fiesta, a budget-friendly front-wheel drive dynamo that's proven and reliable. If you go this route, you should look for a Rally 5 or R1 car. They're engineered by M Sport but take a lot of the OEM parts. Next is the Subaru BRZ or Toyota GT86. This one will deliver more smiles per mile than the Fiesta thanks to the tail-happy rear-wheel drive. This rear-wheel drive beast was very well engineered by Subaru and Toyota with a reliable boxer engine, solid chassis, and great weight distribution. Plus, it's the best looking one on this list. Now, would you like a taste of German engineering with your speed? If you said yes, then the BMW 3 Series has your name written all over it. Specifically the E30 and E36 rear-wheel drive cars. They have a great proven rally pedigree. Now I'm sure you're all asking, what about the Subaru WRX? Well, let's talk about the Subaru Impreza. This baby's got some serious rally DNA. The boxer engine and symmetrical all-wheel drive paired with the most iconic name in rally. If you're just getting started, I wouldn't go with the WRX and definitely not the STI, but rather a naturally aspirated Impreza. Adding more power when you're just learning is a really good way to quickly find yourself off the road and in the trees. And let's not sleep on Volkswagen. Their Golf and Polo have packed a punch in rallying for many years now. Aside from VW dominating the WRC for a handful of years, people have been using them since the 80s and they perform really, really well. Last, but definitely not least, the Renault Clio, a small European car that loves to fly under the radar. This is another car like the Fiesta that you can purchase all ready to go in Rally 4 or Rally 5 spec, and it gives you the opportunity to have a brand new, cheap, and very competitive car right out of the box. Alright, now that we've made it through the list, you want to make sure that your ride has all the good stuff. A sturdy chassis? Check. Easy to find spare parts? Check. Roll cage and safety equipment? Double check. Have you shortlisted your dream cars now? Sweet. In most cases, it would be difficult to take them for a test drive, but you can get them inspected by a rally technician or scrutineers. Trust me, this is something you definitely want to do. You'll thank me later. Alright rally rookies, that's the 411 on picking your first rally car. Pretty easy, eh? If this guide got your motor running, go ahead and smash that like button. Share it with your gearhead friends, and hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you next time for more high-octane rally action.